Hi friend.
In this video, I will discuss this beautiful bird named blue jay. Keep watching the video. The blue jay is a passerine bird in the Corvidae family native to eastern North America. This bird lives throughout much of the eastern and central United States. Some eastern populations may have migrated. The resident population is also in Na. Blue jay birds are birds that have unique physical characteristics. The blue jay is a noisy and fussy bird that belongs to the crow, raven, and magpie families. And this is how it sounds. This beautiful bird also likes to steal other birds' food, steal eggs, and other baby birds. This one bird can be said to be a smart bird because he can also imitate the sounds of other birds and can even build grain feed barns in the ground. That's a little explanation about beautiful birds from North America and Canada. Enough from us, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Bye.